हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल बायोलॉजी प्लैनेट। आज हम डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं प्लाज्मा के बारे में। वी विल सी द डिटेल डिस्कशन ऑफ द डिटेल एक्सप्लेनेशन ऑफ प्लाज्मा। तो एज वी नो व्हाट इज प्लाज्मा। प्लाज्मा फॉर्म्स 55% ऑफ ब्लड, राइट, ऑफ द टोटल कंपोजिशन ऑफ ब्लड। प्लाज्मा इज बेसिकली पेल येलो or straw colored fluid in which blood cells are suspended, right? So we can say that plasma is a medium in which blood cells just like WBC, RBC and platelets are suspended. It is a straw colored or pale yellow colored fluid. So we can say that it is the medium which gives the fluidity to the blood, right? The fluidity of the blood is just because of the plasma, present, right? And if we talk about the composition of plasma, so we will see that 90% water is present in the plasma. There is 90% water, 8% proteins, and 2% nutrients, electrolytes, etc. are present. So if we see the composition of plasma, so here we can see that it is made up of 90% water, 8% proteins and 2% nutrients, and just like electrolytes and all, they are present in plasma, right? If we talk about the proteins, so actually they play very important role. Very important type of proteins are present. So here if you see the proteins which are present in the plasma, that is fibrinogen, globulin and albumin, right? So there are mainly three types of proteins are present in the blood plasma, which forms the 8% part of the plasma, that is fibrinogen, globulin and albumin. Here this fibrinogen protein, it mainly helps at the time of blood clotting. Mainly fibrinogen protein helps at the time of blood clotting. Blood clotting term I am using here, so you must have seen whenever you got any cut in your skin, then what happens? It starts bleeding. But after some time you will see that there is a thin layer of blood formed, right? Just because of bleeding stops. So that is actually the clotting of blood. So this blood clotting is just because of the fibrinogen protein is present in the blood plasma. Though there are some more elements are also responsible for the clotting of blood, that is a complete mechanism of blood clotting. So this mechanism of blood clotting you will study in higher classes, just like in class 12, right? And globulin, actually this is a protein which maintains our defense mechanism. So we can say that it is important for our defense mechanism. And albumin, actually albumin, it maintains our it maintains the osmotic balance or water balance. Right. So here as we can say that there are three types of proteins are present in the blood plasma, that is fibrinogen, globulin and albumin, in which fibrinogen is essential, is important for blood clotting, globulin is important for defense mechanism, and albumin is responsible for osmotic balance or water balance in the blood. So this is how we have seen the plasma. But we came to know what is actually plasma. So plasma, it is pale yellow or a straw colored fluid in which blood cells just like RBC, WBC and platelets are present. And if we talk about the composition of plasma, so it is mainly made up of 90% of of water, 8% of protein, 2% of nutrients, electrolytes, etc. If you see what type of proteins are present in the plasma, so that is fibrinogen, globulin and albumin. Right? Fibrinogen helps in blood clotting, globulin helps in maintaining the defense mechanism, and albumin helps in maintaining the osmotic balance or water balance in the blood. So this is how we have seen the plasma, and in next video we will see the detailed functioning of RBC and WBC. Thank you.